Well, this here's my newest workstation. Comes down from the bandsaw or the drill press. It's a bandsaw. It just stood up on its hind end. Made a plate from some scrap steel I had laying around. Made me a cover so that nobody gets cut in here. Open this up. It goes all the way back around. Then you got all my scrap steel here. Stainless. Then you got galvanized down here. Then a place to put my chainsaw down there so it's up out of the way. But that's it. That's my newest station. I still have to do an update to my new workshop, but there's the workbench that I just built. And I'll go through all of it in the next video. Y'all take care.